everybody, and welcome to my organizational Saturday video. Today I'm just going to be sharing with you my washi tape collection. I'm going to go through this and get rid of some, and then at the very end of this video I will share with you a washi tape haul. I recently purchased a whole bunch of washi tape, and I'm going to explain why and the reason behind it, and organize this. Not so much organize it because this is how I keep my washi tape, but really going through and cleaning some of it out. So I use washi tape in my planner. So I use an Erin Condren planner, and I set up my planner at the beginning of every year. So I don't decoratively plan, like I don't do decorative elements in my planner every week. So instead of every week sitting down with washi tape and stickers and all of that, I do a mass setup at the very beginning when I get my planner. And I want to show you how I do that so you can see how I use washi tape. It is currently the month of June, and so currently right now I am mass setting up two of my planners, the two that I use, my life planner, which I'm showing you, and then my content planner. So there's lots of things that I do to my planner at the beginning of the year. I have some spreads in the back that I use. I tear some pages out so that my planner only goes 12 months, but I have a bigger coil. And then you can see this is the basic setup for my planner. I get an hourly planner. I don't use it really for the hour aspect. I use it because it's completely lined. If Erin Condren had a vertical planner that was just simply lined with no times, that's what I would choose to get. And then I use a piece of skinny washi tape, and I mark off Monday through Friday from like the 7 a.m. mark up, and I use this section for one thing. Then I leave the time slot from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. and I do sort of use the time. I'm not tied to it. There's things, and you'll see, I'll show you a spread where I've added things. So I sort of use the times, but very loosely, like I'm not tied to them. And then I put a piece of thicker washi tape from the 5 p.m. slot down, and that goes Monday through Friday. And then this is for home to-dos, like doing the finances or doing laundry or those kinds of things. And so let me show you what a week looks like where I've actually planned. So this was one, you can see the last part of it did not get really used, but the meat of it, like the middle of the week stuff did. So I used Planner Kate stickers, and I just use these types. So I use the flags, and then I use these, and then I use a few others, but not a ton. Also, at the very beginnings of the month, I use the calendar, I use the dashboard, and then that's it. I don't think I use anything else particularly. So at the beginning of the week, like on Sunday, I sit down and I do use these stickers to put in appointments and kind of plan out my week. But the rest of it is just pretty straightforward. I'm not doing any other kind of decorative stuff during the week. So in June, I sit down and I do all of my mass producing, like changing my planner and putting all the washi tape in. And I have this big bucket of washi tape. This container is from IKEA. So it is one that I really love. It fits on my Calyx units, and it's just labeled washi tape. And then all of this is in here. So I get my washi tape on Etsy, and then these thin rolls I actually got on Amazon, and I have a whole blog post with photos, and I will link all of the things that I talk about in that blog post. So in the YouTube description below, there's a link that says coordinating blog post. And then you can go there and click on anything that you need. So if it's solid washi, this size, and then I have a really thin size. These I all got on Amazon, just like in a rainbow pack of colors. It actually really wasn't that expensive. I was really surprised. And then all the decorative washi I have gotten, I used to like get it at Michael's. You can still find it. Sometimes they do a big bin of like 5 for $1. And so I've gotten some of it there. I don't get to Michael's very often. So I've just found a couple really inexpensive Etsy shops that do washi. I will have a haul at the end of this video showing you all the new washi I got for my planner for the upcoming year. So what I want to do is, and I'll speed through this, is I'm actually going to dump all of this out. And then we're going to go through all of this, and I'm only going to put back what I plan on keeping and what I plan on using. And a couple went on the floor, but that's okay. There's all the IKEA information if you're interested. And the main point for doing this is there's washi in here that I've used several years in a row. So for like December, like I've used this washi tape several times. Do I want to use it again? You'll notice there's quite a few blank spots in this year's planner. With COVID-19 and everything that happened, I was not in a great place in using my planner. So I didn't use it a ton this last year. That is starting to shift for me and is starting to change for me. And so, I'm excited for that, and I feel like it's going to be, I'll get back to it, basically. You know, planners are personal to each of us, and sometimes you find yourself using it more than others. So here, I'm just going to go through, and I'm going to keep, like this, I know, like, I use in, like, usually April, and I really like it. This I usually use in November, and I like it. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go through, I'm going to show you guys some of these. I'm going to pull some out to get rid of in some form. I haven't decided which way yet, and I will show you those, and then I will show you all the ones that I got. So I pulled out these right here because I am doing my content planner, and I do that one a little bit different, and it's really in a black and white theme. So I pulled these out because I may use them. I'm not sure. I'm going to check them against my content planner and see if I want to use them. And then this is all of the ones I am going to purge. Either I have several of them or I'm just tired of them. I have like a bazillion of these. I don't know what the deal is with that. I just had a bunch of them. And then there were a few that were on their last like piece. Like there's not enough there to really, for me to do anything. So I'm just going to throw those away. And then I also pulled this is an Erin Condren washi tape that I think I got it free for something. And I'm going to use it. It's like the, this is the hourly. So I don't need the hourly part of it because, you know, I just said I don't really use the hourly. It's not a focus for me, but I'm going to keep it in case ever I want to be able to use a time. So it just lists the time. So I'll keep that in my stash. Then I'm going to pull this out because this is like the checklist one. And then I thought I would show you how I decide for the month. So I need a thin washi and a thick washi. And so for July, I'll use a combination of these. Like I will probably use maybe this, the stars, the blue, and then this in certain areas. So I pulled these 3 out because I think they'll go perfect for July and I'll use them. So now I will share with you all of the washi that I got I purchased some in May, and then these are the ones that I received. All right, let's take a look at the washi tape that I purchased. I purchase washi tape every couple years, so this is quite a big haul of washi tape, but like I said, I probably won't purchase washi tape again for 2 or 3 years, maybe even longer. But these are the ones that I got. These are all, again, I use it in my planner and setting up my planner for the new year. In the month of July, I will be sharing with you guys my planners and how I set them up. And I know that that's not technically organization, but it sort of is. It's business organization and the way I choose to organize my planners and my notebooks. I thought it would be fun for you guys to see. So I'm just showing you some of the designs that I got. I really love getting some of these different designs, changing things up a little bit. I love this one has cowboy boots on it, and this one has sunflowers. And next month, when you guys see the way I use this in my planner, it will probably make a little bit more sense to you as to the designs that I picked and why I got what I got. And even the sizes, I really love this one. This yellow hearts is really cute. This one is bigger than what I would normally use. I actually thought this was smaller. I thought it was like this size, but it's a little bit larger. And then same with this one. This one I got for notebooks, for my notebook situation. I probably won't use it in my planner the way I normally use washi, but that's okay. These are great. I got a lot of black and white designs, particularly you can see. Let me just pull out all the black and white designs that I got. I got quite a few, and that is because one of my planners is very neutral. It's just black and white, and I wanted some washis that were black and white. So I got quite a few of these kinds of designs. This one and this one I really love. And then I have one in my up with my planner right now that is this design here, but it's white. So it's white with black stripes instead of black with white stripes. So I loved that. These are jellyfish, which are super cute. I will link on my blog post all the shops that I got these at. I got these from 2 different shops. Both are in the US, which is really nice because then you don't have to wait so long for shipping. A lot of washi tape places on Etsy are from the UK, and then you can have to wait on shipping for a really long time. So then I got some thinner washi tape, some floral. This really reminds me of the Stampin' Up paper that we have right now for those. And then there's this. This one I'm not in love with. I thought the orange was a little bit like more orange. It's more of like, I don't know, like a yellowish orange. And then some more thin ones. I thought that this particular one I thought was a little smaller. but that's okay. Works good. And there's that one. These came in a roll, in a set. I don't know where the third one is. It was like a gym one, but I really love the foil on these. This is like a galaxy one. And originally I thought I would use these two together, but the colors they don't go together. But this is like the astronauts. And then there's this that has some writing on it. And then some bicycle washi. This is actually an Erin Condren roll that I threw in here. It's just the check mark check boxes. I got this one thinking that it would line up in my planner for the check boxes, and it doesn't. It's slightly off, so you can't use it that way. But the EC washi that's like this is meant to be used in there for that purpose. And then I got this one. So I did get a few of the same rolls. I got double so that I could do a little giveaway. So if you're watching this video and you would like to enter the giveaway, you can just leave a comment here on the YouTube video. And I have a whole little container of washi that I got. Some that, like this one, I got 2 of these. It's this really beautiful set. I got this really large set that has some writing on it. So all of this I'm going to give away. So leave a comment and I will pick a winner and send them a little stash of washi tape. I hope you enjoyed seeing the way I organize my washi tape and how I go through things and purge things every now and again. And then when I'm adding to my collection in July, I'm doing these organizational videos like bi-weekly. So every other Saturday I'm posting something that has to do with being in my office here or organizing different things. And in the month of July, I plan on sharing my planner setups and which planners I get, why I get them, and how I set them up, both for my life and for my business. And I hope that that will be interesting to you. So make sure you come back in July to check those out. And again, thank you so much for watching my videos. I would love for you to subscribe, hit that like button, leave me a comment so that I can send a comment back to you and we can connect. That is the fun part of YouTube, right? Connecting. So thank you guys so much, and I will chat with you guys later.